Hello, this is Dr. Darleen Claire-Wodzinski with Orchard Human Services, and I'm really excited to talk with you about our upcoming training with Cam and Maddie's Promise. It's called Superpower Parenting for Special Needs Families. This is a training that we do in lots of different shapes and forms for all sorts of parents and all sorts of children who have special needs, from learning problems to developmental disorders to neuroatypicalities or even intellectual disabilities. I'm really looking forward to talking with all of you. Please find my email on our website, orchardhumanservices.org. Give me an email and let me know if you have any specific questions, and I'll try to make sure that we address them in the training. Again, you're all welcome to join us. This is a free training we're sponsoring along with Cam and Maddie's Promise a week from Saturday, online 10 to 12, and it's called Superpower Parenting for Special Needs Families. I hope to see you there. Thanks.